Hey, what's up everyone? This episode I got here meatballs with mushroom soup gravy. Ingredients for the meatballs is 2 pounds of ground beef, quarter medium onion mince, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, salt and black pepper. Preheat your pan and add 1 cup of oil. I like using a cast iron skillet. It gives it a nice crust on the meatballs. So make sure not to overcrowd it. So after 3 minutes, make sure to gently flip it over and cook it for another 3 minutes. Yo, check out that crust. Only way to do it on a skillet like this. Once both sides are seared, just put it in a 12 by 12 pan. Don't worry about it being fully cooked because we're gonna put it in the oven. Crack open 2 cans of cream of mushroom soup. I used a reduced salt. Shake it around, make sure all the meatballs are coated evenly, and then you're gonna re-season the gravy, so add a little bit more salt and pepper and you should be good to go. Make sure to preheat your oven to 400 degrees Celsius, and you're gonna bake that for another 20 minutes. And there we have it, guys. This is meatball with mushroom soup gravy. Check that out. Juicy, tender, and creamy. Don't forget to leave a comment, subscribe, and like my page. Peace out, everyone.